A Mumbai police team right now is in the jungles of Raigad, where allegedly Sheena's body was disposed, where her remains were found.
Yes, the verdict of Sheena Bora's murder case was out already. 6 years on, the accused were already serving their time in jail. But wait, what? Sheena Bora is still alive. The accused of the murder has now claimed that Sheena Bora is very much alive. Former media executive Indrani Mukherjee was accused of murdering her daughter Sheena Bora in 2012. She claims that she recently came across a woman in prison who said she met Sheena Bora in Kashmir.
She received her information from a lady government officer who's an inmate in the Baikala prison presently. She informed him that she met Sheena in July 2021 when she went for a vacation in Srinagar. So she has sent a letter to the CBI direct. As per the information that she's received, she wants CBI to take necessary action. She wants CBI to record the statement of that lady officer so that, she wants CBI basically to probe in that direction now.
So what was this entire case all about, and what's with this latest plot twist? Let's explain all of that to you. The case that rocked the country came to light in 2015 when Indrani Mukherjee's driver Shamvar Rai was caught with a gun. During his interrogation, he revealed that he was involved in another case and then said that he had allegedly witnessed a murder. Shamvar Rai told the Mumbai police that Indrani Mukherjee had strangulated Sheena Bora in a car and then drove down to neighbouring Raigad district in Maharashtra to dispose of her mortal remains. Her body was burnt in a forest in neighbouring Raigad. Now, the investigating agencies even said that they'd found Sheena's remains. Indrani, however, has refuted these claims. Indrani essentially used to refer to Sheena as her sibling in 2012. Further investigation revealed that Sheena was in fact not Indrani's sibling but her firstborn daughter from an earlier relationship. Sheena had allegedly been blackmailing her mother to get her a house in Mumbai. According to the Mumbai police and later the CBI, which took over the case, Indrani Mukherjee had abandoned two of her children, Sheena as well as Mikhail, and left them with her parents in Guwahati. Sheena got to know about her mother when she spotted a photograph of her in a magazine after she had married media executive Peter Mukherjee. Sheena then allegedly followed her mother to Mumbai. Indrani introduced her as a sister to everyone, including even her husband Peter. Sheena then vanished in 2012. After she vanished, Peter's son from his first marriage, this gets very complicated, but stay with us. Rahul Mukherjee is Peter's son from his first marriage. He tried to find out what happened to Sheena. Why? Because Rahul and Sheena had fallen in love and lived together briefly before she disappeared. He was told that Sheena wanted to build her own life abroad away from him because he wasn't working. Indrani Mukherjee was arrested and lodged at the Baikula jail in Mumbai in 2015. After Indrani's arrest, there was her ex-husband Sanjeev Khanna, who was also arrested for allegedly having helped her with this murder and the disposal of evidence. The CBI also arrested Peter Mukherjee for being a part of the conspiracy. He was, however, granted bail in 2020. Peter and Indrani Mukherjee got divorced during this entire trial. Indrani's bail application was rejected by the Bombay High Court in November 2021. In fact, her bail plea has been rejected time and again. She is likely now to approach the Supreme Court through her lawyer Sana Khan. Indrani has now written a letter to the CBI director asking for the Central Bureau of Investigation to look for Sheena in Kashmir. Apart from the letter, she has moved an application before the special CBI court, which is likely to come up for hearing soon. So Indrani, at least going by these applications, seems convinced that Sheena Bora is alive and that she is living in Kashmir.